Jumripsu and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make one of the most popular Cambodian dish called PROHOK Ktis. In this recipe, I'm using 2 pounds of regular ground pork and 1 pound of ground pork belly. And I'm using 5 tablespoons of my red chili paste, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken flavor soup mix, 5 tablespoons of sugar. Unfortunately, pea eggplant is not available at where I live, so today we're gonna cook it without the pea eggplants. I'm using 2 tablespoons of PROHOK and finely chop it into a paste. There are many kinds of PROHOK that are available in the US market, like this one, mudfish sauce. It will work the same way, it's just made from different kind of fish. And we're using 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of dry shrimp, and we're gonna blend this in a magic bullet, but you can also use mortar and pestle. This is my mom's recipe, so if you don't like dry shrimp, it's optional, you don't have to add it in. Adding 3 tablespoons of oil into our frying pan, then adding the red chili paste in. In Cambodia, we have fresh coconut milk, so we can cook the coconut milk until we get the coconut oil and then add the chili paste in. Cooking the red chili paste for a few minutes until it's fragrant, then add PROHOK and cook it until it well combined with the red chili paste. After PROHOK and red chili paste is well combined, we're gonna add sugar, chicken flavor mix, and fish sauce. Now adding the pork in, and the dry shrimp, continue cooking it until it's all well combined. Then we're gonna add some water. We're adding about 1 cup of water, but you can add a little bit more if you prefer to have more sauce, but not too much. You don't want it to be too liquidy. If you happen to have pea eggplant, at this point you can add it in. Now let it simmer for about a few more minutes. After a few minutes, we can taste our PROHOK Ktis. If you like the flavor, you can add the coconut milk in. and let it continue cooking for about a few more minutes. Then our PROHOK Ktis is ready. You can enjoy PROHOK Ktis with a variety of vegetables like cabbage, cucumber, young mango, or long bean, young tomato, crispy eggplant, whatever vegetable that you like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in the next one.